Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I did an application of the Moitie lash kit. These are the lashes on. Clearly I have a little situation right here, just kind of lash placement. I kind of didn't put that one on as even as the other ones. But yeah, if you want to go ahead and see what I think about these, continue watching. Thank you. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but let's just jump into it and see how this goes. So I ordered the Moitie Cosmetics lash 10-day lash system. This is the little insert that it came with, and it came with my receipt. So I got the starter lash extension kit, full glam. It was $29. They automatically added to my cart the removal gel, which is fine. That was only $5. And then shipping was $5, so I spent $39, which isn't too terribly bad. There's another brand that has the same type of get up, and I was looking at it. I think it's Lashify, I don't know, but it wanted me to like create a login and do all this bullshit. I was like, you know what, no, I'm not doing all that just to review them. So sorry, I just ate some chicken strips. So then this happened to pop up, and I was like, fuck it, let's try it out. But I'm a little nervous. So the starter kit comes with, and again, I picked the full glam set. Here's the little box. These are the lashes, and it has a little spoolie. It came with the lash remover gel. This is sealed, so I don't really need to open this yet. It came with the priming glue, and then some tweezers. So not too bad for, you know, the price. The lashes are pretty. I'm just so nervous. And I'm sure you're supposed to do this with clean skin. It doesn't really give you, on the card, it doesn't really give you instructions. It just says use the priming glue and the lash removal gel carefully and avoid contact with your eyes. If you accidentally get any in your eyes, flush immediately with water, seek medical attention. Please do not pick or pull at them or tug at them. Dispose of any remaining priming glue and lash removal glue. So it doesn't really come with like a cleanser, but I do have a lash cleanser from my lash extension kit. But this is kind of just for like fun. I'll probably, I don't know. Well, maybe I should see how long it lasts, right? 10 days, it says 10 days. Okay, I'll try. I will try, I'm not gonna guarantee. The lashes, I don't know if you can tell, they're like on this little clear band, and then you kind of pick off sections and do it section at a time. So if you do these lashes and you want a good way to clean them, you take 2 Q-tips, a cleaner. You probably don't want to use an oil-based, and then you can kind of wash through them that way. I mean, you will get little fibers from this. There are tools made for cleaning lashes, and I do have some from my kit again. And then you can comb them with your spoolie, things like that. So I guess I'm just going to use this little card to stick the glue on. I'm going to go ahead and shake it. It doesn't say, but a lot of things you shake. So I'm gonna start from the outside in, and I just dipped into the glue and dabbed off a little extra, blotted off a little extra. No. Okay, second one on, gave me a bit of trouble. So if you start pinching while you're applying, you're gonna get the glue onto your tweezer. Then when you try to pluck on a new tweezer, your lash will get, or pluck on a new lash, your lash will get stuck to this. So maybe have a tweezer handy to pinch and then one to set, or just be diligent like wiping in between. Also, look at that. Also keep in mind to get out a little bit of glue at a time, because it'll kind of dry out as it sits open to air, and then you can always add more to whatever palette or whatever you're putting the glue on. They're pretty lashes. Okay, that is one lash complete. I'm gonna do the other lash real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is both eyes complete. I had a better time with this eye, obviously, after, you know, kind of getting the swing of things. Right here, it looks like I'm missing a chunk. It doesn't look like that in person. It looks fine. It's just lash placement. Like I set this one down a little bit lower than the others, kind of causing like what shows up as like a gap on camera. But they are nice fluffy lashes. Just depending on your style, they had like, I think a more natural one, a medium one, and then like these, which I thought if you're gonna go for it, go for it. They look great in person. They're definitely fluffy. Would it be an everyday lash that I'd want to commit to for 10 days? For me and what I do, probably not, but we'll see if they even last 10 days, and I'll leave that down somewhere around here for you to know. But this is the completed lash. Now this in no way replaces like going to a licensed esthetician and getting lash extensions, and you do got to be careful. You are putting a pretty strong chemical towards your eye to glue on here, so definitely proceed with caution. I just wanted to try it out. I like trying out things. I am a licensed esthetician. I wouldn't recommend putting on, you know, eyelash extensions on myself, but I thought, fuck it, let's go for it. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Let me know any videos you want to see coming up. Any products you want me to review or test out for you. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.